हेलो।
हाय।
अपना नाम बताना है और उसके बाद आपने ये बताना है बिना बताए कि आप एग्जैक्टली कौन से शहर से हो, कि आप कौन से शहर से हो।
Got it. So I am Mannat, and I am from the city which is famous for double the amount of alcohol that normally people consume.
ओ भाई साहब, हरियाणा यूपी।
Nope.
डबल द अमाउंट ऑफ अल्कोहल।
So it's like peg.
ओ पंजाब।
Yes.
Good.
Which part in Punjab though? Peg. Which part of city?
जलंधर। नो।
It's a city which is famous like whatever.
पटियाला।
Yeah.
गुड
We are
वन।
not going.
दैट्स गुड वन। सो आपके यहीं से निकला पटियाला पैग।
Yep.
ओके। एंड आपको अगर इफ यू आर नॉट अ ह्यूमन, ओके, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नेचुरल एलिमेंट यू विल बी? नेचुरल, मैन मेड, नेचुरल दोनों हो सकता है।
Monkey.
मंकी। ओके।
So it's
Bye.
fun swinging on trees, and plus they're smart. Like even on the roads, you'll always see like maybe even birds or cats or dogs killed on the street because of road, but you'll never see a monkey because they're very smart even when crossing roads. And plus they can just swing around.
So you are smart, that means.
I like to believe so.
Okay.
And they're very good at snatching things from people and running away. They get what they want.
Okay.
Like I'm not saying I'm stealing things, snatching from people, but like, but I just like the aura of a monkey.
That will be controversial. Okay. तो अगर you can play any character in a movie or a play, ठीक है? Which character you think you resonate with most and why?
So apparently people say I resonate a lot with Geet from Jab We Met.
Okay.
Because I talk a lot, I'm Punjabi and I have red hair. So, I mean, that's all true as well. So, yeah, sure.
Okay. But what part of गीत you like why you resonate? लोग जो बोलते हैं वो तो है। क्या आप भी अपने आप को गीत समझते हो?
Yeah, sure, because she's optimistic also, even though बाकियों को सुना रही है, but she's herself optimistic and like, tension में she's blabbering and that's actually what I do.
Okay. And if we can ask you कि हर किसी को ना कोई चीज़ें बनाती हैं, किसी का वैल्यू सिस्टम बनता है, एंड वो वैल्यू सिस्टम कई बार बहुत हाई से बनता है, कई बार बहुत लोज से बनता है। यूजुअली लोज मानते हैं हम लोग। व्हाट इफ यू हैव टू शेयर, व्हाट इज दैट वन सिचुएशन, दैट इंस्टेंस और थिंग व्हिच मेड यू यू?
I feel like no made me nahi, but like one thing that's very important to me is like that feeling of belongingness to a place, to with people around me. Yeah, it's because I've had people in school that I've never got along with, and then college was amazing, but then COVID happened, so I've never had like very close friends per se. So that feeling of belongingness is something that is really important for me, which is also one of the reasons why I'm here, making new friends.
Anything which you say that ये मेरा सबसे लोएस्ट पॉइंट था, जहाँ पे you were tested to the limit, you were challenged to the maximum in your own ways, in your own definition. कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन, कोई ऐसा इंस्टेंस?
ऐसा कुछ बहुत लो नहीं है, but I feel like couple of things. One, when I had a fallout with one of my closest friends in school, and then while I was studying abroad, so the day before Diwali was like the lowest point because like my family, that's the only time I was away from my family, and Diwali was the day when I was actually missing home and that vibe of familiarness. Yes, that's those nothing.
How did you overcome that?
I just cried.
You cried?
I cried. And then I got gulab jamuns from Little India though.
Interesting. And what do you think are the value systems जो आपको लगते हैं कि इन प्रिंसिपल्स या इन वैल्यू सिस्टम्स के बिना तो मेरी जिंदगी हो ही नहीं सकती? दीज आर द प्री रिक्विसाइट फॉर मी, ये तो होना ही चाहिए।
यार इतना नहीं सोचती मैं।
सोचने का मौका है कि समथिंग व्हिच यू विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज अपॉन irrespective of whatever the situation is.
Next question.
Okay, fair enough. So if we can say कि इंसान जो है यूजुअली 3-4 चीज़ों के बारे में बात करता है, पीछे दौड़ता है, सक्सेस, हैप्पीनेस, फेम, मनी एंड ऑल। आपके लिए जिंदगी में वो चीज क्या है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू वांट मोर? अगर इन 3-4 में से ऑप्शन मिले.
I feel like I'd want a balance between good work life and a good family life as well. ये नहीं कि बस काम ही करना है या एकदम छोड़ के घर पे बैठ जाना है. A balance between the two, I mean.
And how does that, we can call it your success, right?
Yeah, like so for me, even the money part won't matter as much as long as I have a fulfilled work career and a fulfilled family life. Like I'm getting to spend time with people that are close to me.
What does fulfillment mean to you? How do you define it?
Spending quality time. So like since I'm in a long distance, so even if I'm not spending the entire day with my boyfriend, that 1 hour that we are on call, it's like totally like, you know, we are there for each other for that 1 hour. So that's a quality time, not quantity. Yeah,
So you prefer quality over quantity?
yeah, definitely.
And
मतलब सब लोग बैठ के फोन पे लगे हैं, उससे तो बेटर है कि दिन में 1 घंटा हम बैठ के बात करो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू सिटिंग ऑल टुगेदर इन द फैमिली, नॉट लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू टॉक टू योर फैमिली like for 1 whole dedicated hour, right? But when like my dad's also away, he comes back, so we are all sitting together, we'll spend quality time without phones, without any other distractions, just talking to each other. So I think that's more important.
And हर कोई अपने अपने बंदे ढूंढता है in terms of कि these can be my friends, these cannot be my friends, you know, हम eliminate वाला करते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
How do you find your tribe? मतलब आप क्या देखते हो किसी इंसान में that okay, this is someone whom I can be friends with or boyfriend with or whatever?
So I feel it's just a vibe that is there with the person, and then so I just talk to everybody around me. I love to talk. Then if something feels off, I'll just like, you know, start distancing myself from people, and my group becomes smaller and smaller and smaller until it's like 3-4 core people. That's how I find my people. And like something, maybe some controversial thing somebody said which I don't really resonate with, so instead of like starting like a pura with them, I'll just distance myself while I'm at it. Ki okay, I don't want any harm or anything, but yeah.
वो जो 3-4 लोग जो अभी आपकी जिंदगी में सबसे करीब हैं आपके दोस्त, उनकी कोई एक ऐसी कॉमन क्वालिटीज हैं जो आपको, आप अगर रिफ्लेक्ट करो तो अरे हाँ यार ये तो तीनों चारों में एक जैसी हैं, मतलब दे आर दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल?
I feel like this kiddish, spontaneous nature. कि भाई चलो करते हैं. So for example, the first time when I met my boyfriend, like while we were friends, when we met in person, we went on the opposite side of the escalator. We were running up and down. We went to Hamleys and we were playing foosball. So that kind of impromptu kiddish things are what I feel is what is common.
Wow. And I believe you will find many kiddish people around you, and thank you so much for actually giving this spontaneous kind
It was
of
very spontaneous.
just walking around and catching you up has been fun. So thank you so much.